Is CodeSignal a scam or your new secret weapon for landing a tech job? Let's get straight to the point. CodeSignal is 100% legit. It's used by giants like Netflix, Meta, and Capital One to screen technical talent. So, no, this isn't some shady operation. But legit doesn't mean perfect. Here's the quick verdict. As a job seeker, CodeSignal is a real gatekeeper. If you want that interview, you're usually looking at a score of 750 to 800 or higher. For companies, it's a super efficient filter, using AI and strict proctoring to sort through thousands of applicants. So, what's good about it? First, the coding interface is actually pretty nice, clean, fast, and supports over 40 languages. The CodeSignal Learn tracks? Think Duolingo but for code, super engaging and honestly, kind of addictive. And if you ace a certified assessment, you can reuse your score for multiple job applications. No more retaking the same test for every company. Plus, with the new Cosmo app, you can squeeze in practice anywhere, right from your phone. But here's what might drive you nuts. Speed matters. A lot. If you like taking your time to write clean, beautiful code, you might get penalized. Some say the question difficulty feels random. Your friend might get a walk in the park, while you get Mount Everest. And then there's the proctoring. They record your screen, webcam, even your mic. It keeps things fair but can feel a bit intense. And yes, sometimes tech glitches force retakes. On privacy, your tests are monitored, but those recordings are usually deleted within 15 days, and companies only see your score, not your video. Bottom line? CodeSignal isn't a scam, but it's not a breeze either. Practice in their IDE before the real test, and treat it like a mini-boss between you and your next tech job.